How to show Spotify on lock screen. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, simply click on Apps and Notifications. After you've clicked on Apps and Notifications, in here, click on Spotify. Then you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Notifications. After you've clicked on notifications, make sure playback is turned on. After you've done that, open Spotify, play your music. After you've played your music, you can simply lock your phone and you will find Spotify song playing in your lock screen. And this is how to show Spotify on lock screen. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.